This is the LS that we are putting in the truck. It is actually extremely clean, extremely nice. What I'm doing today is I'm prepping. Today's a Friday and I'm prepping for tomorrow when my brother, who is an actual mechanic, is going to come over and help me dress this. I've got a ton of parts for it just to get it prepped. All OEM stuff, just to, while it's out and easy to get to, we're going to do like rear main seals, front seals, new oil pan, all that good stuff. And I also have a low profile intake that we're going to throw on there, and then make a list of parts for other things we need. While he's doing that, this is the transmission we're going to be running. This is an AR5 out of a Chevy Colorado, 5-speed. They're supposed to be really tough as long as you stay under 1,000 horsepower, so I think we'll be fine. To put it on an LS, fabbot makes a kit that goes here and adapts. You take off this bell housing, it adapts to a 4L60E bell housing. Specifically one with this top center bolt. You got to have that one. So I have that and a lot of other parts that we'll get into once we actually start putting the thing together. So for now, I'm gonna take the intake off, get it lifted up. We're gonna leave it on this instead of putting it on an engine stand so that we can get to everything. We're gonna leave it on this and just lift it up where it's higher, easier to get to for him to work on. This is what he asked me to do. And so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm prepping, getting him a table ready. It's still a mess, but just getting all the stuff that we need ready. Pulled the knock sensors off and the plugs came out with it and broke the sensor. So it looks like we'll be getting some new ones. Alright, I got the motor all prepped and I got all the parts laid out. We're just waiting on Caleb to get here, but we got all the gaskets and seals, rear main, front main, oil pan, all that good stuff. Got some other stuff we're going to throw in while we're at it. Timing chain, oil pump, rear main seal, and also our Holley oil pan. While Caleb's working on the motor, I'm going to be working on the AR5, getting it ready. So we're going to put in the fabbot kit. There's the fabbot kit. It looks amazing. So this goes on the transmission, and then you put on the 4L60E bell housing, mates right up to the LS, and then you got a spacer for the clutch and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm going to be working on while Caleb's dressing our LS. Okay, so we got the adapter plate on the AR5. Unfortunately, I forgot to buy my bleeder lines and my feed line, so we can't put the slave on there yet. Until we have the lines, you have to put them on before you can put it on here and loop it around. So unfortunately, that means also we're not getting the engine transmission put in the truck today. So alright, so we got the car intake here. It's just sitting here. We're testing the injectors to make sure they all work. I don't know if the camera can hear it, but they're actuating. Alright, I've bagged up the engine and I've bagged up the transmission. It's all put together and it's ready to go together to be joined to each other and put in the truck. But as you'll soon see, I'm working on the next video already, where we're going to be working on getting the truck ready a little bit more to accept the engine and transmission. We got to do some cab modification, such as mostly to the transmission tunnel, but while we're doing that, there is some other things that need to happen before the engine and transmission go in, and you'll see all about that. My glasses keep fogging up every time I try to end the video, but I think I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys for watching all the progress so far, and make sure you like and subscribe and follow along so that you don't miss out on anything that happens with this truck. I'm super excited for where it's going, and hope you guys will continue to follow along. Take it easy.